Hey, how you doing? Austin here. So obviously you can tell that I am at the beach. I am, if you didn't know this, this week I've been in Cabo San Lucas down here. A really, really great longtime family friend. Their daughter is getting married down here. So my wife and I are down here. So I've literally had to move like 8 times to try to find places to record for you guys. And I apologize for the sunglasses, but the sun is right here. So I got good lighting, but you're going to have to get to see Austin with sunglasses on. These are my favorite sunglasses as well. There you go. All right. So I want to talk to you about a crypto that you may not even be aware of. And quite frankly, I was aware of it, but I really wasn't. And I kept seeing it all, occasionally pop up on CoinMarketCap as one of the top movers on a given day, a given 24-hour period. And I'm like, you know what? It was a good time to talk about this particular crypto. But before I get into that, there's a link down in the description below. All links down to ClearCryptos socials. As you know, I support Clear. I have my own channel as well, but I make content for the Clear channel because this is ClearCryptos is a movement. It is going to be a revolution from a positive standpoint. It's going to help revolutionize crypto in so many ways. One of them being education, and just educating and trying to help everybody out there who wants to learn more about crypto to be involved in it, to learn more about it, to be safer doing it. They just have so many strategic visions and initiatives. There's more to come. And if you're interested in learning more, there's links down in the description below to their socials. I highly recommend you get involved in their Discord. They have amazing moderators and amazing community over there. So go check that out. Okay, so here's what I want to talk to you about. So this particular initiative or project is Quant Network. So what is Quant Network? Now, let me show you this real quickly. So if you go to, like right now as I'm recording this video, if I go to CoinMarketCap, and I'll even show you how I did this. I'll go to CoinMarketCap and then I resort on the 24-hour right here. You can see the Quant shows up right here. It's trading at $164.80. It's up 6.6% in the last 24 hours and up 19% in the last 7 days. In fact, now that's curious. I've got me. Yeah. So you got Huobi is crushing it. Yeah. So it's one of the top 3, even in the 24-hour and in the 7-day. So, but what is it? All right. So let's look at it right here. So what is Quant Network? Well, answered very, very simply. It is a widely expanded, I'm reading, is a widely, can't tell because I got sunglasses on, right? A widely expanded blockchain, albeit, that's a good word, isn't it? Albeit little known perhaps to the general public, that aims to solve some problems related to the world of blockchain. First and foremost, interoperability across different networks. And it's really these last 4 words, right, that are the main key, the main crux. Because I think as crypto continues to evolve and all this cross-chain interoperability is going to be a big thing. So this refers to the ability of different blockchain networks to exchange and leverage data with each other and move unique types of digital assets between the network's respective blockchains. Okay, so again, that interoperability, cross-chain, to be able to move, move these assets. That's really what it is. I mean, I'm not going to dive too deep into this. So if you're interested, check it out. What got my attention and the reason I did this video for Clear is I kept seeing Quant always in the 24-hour mover and the 7-day. And if you look at like their like last month, look at this chart. I mean, even in light of kind of everything going on in the entire crypto market, this thing has just continued to just roll up really nicely. This is a really healthy looking chart. I mean, and oh, by the way, you got all these, remember, you got all these macro factors, inflation and the Federal Reserve, and what are they going to do and not do? And Quant really has, quite frankly, been immune to that. And it's just continued to do its thing, moving up very nicely. So that's what I got for you. Like I said, if you're interested in learning more about Clear, there's a link down in the description below. Check it out. Highly recommend their Discord. Get involved over there. And that's all I got for you. Have a good one. Take care. Bye.